Hello everyone. If you are a graphic designer and you know how to design a logo, then this video is for you. I have heard it many times that logo design is a very competitive niche. But after researching, I found out that there is still a lot of juice remaining in this niche. I am going to show you around 30 different keywords that are low in competition but high in demand, and I will show you one by one that you can use these keywords in your gig and can rank your gig. Also, you can secure orders on that gig. So let's see what we have for you in this video. Our first keyword is cafe logo. I am writing here cafe logo, and I will show you how much competition this keyword have. Only 536 services available in this keyword, and if we see the number of orders, then I can clearly see here 387 reviews, 2847 reviews, 27 reviews, 61 reviews. So it shows that there is a lot of demand of this keyword and you can definitely use this keyword in your gig. The next keyword I have for you is letter logo. Let me write it here. And if you see letter logo, we have only 1249 services available. And let's see how many adders this keyword have. Okay, let's see 1k plus 47, 64, 146. So it shows that there is a huge demand of this keyword as well, and you can definitely use this keyword as well in your gig. The next keyword I have for you is fashion logo. Only 1747 services available in this keyword, and let's see how many orders this keyword have. 115 reviews, 425 reviews and 290 reviews shows that this keyword has a lot of demand, but this keyword is very low in competition with only 1747 services available. The next keyword I have for you is makeup logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 323 services. If we are using the keyword logo design, then we can see that around 83,000 services available on the keyword logo design. But on this keyword makeup logo, only 323 services available, and we can definitely use this keyword in our gig and rank that gig easily. Also, this keyword has a lot of potential to get orders. If we see here 96 reviews, 35 reviews, 117 reviews and 30 reviews. So I can clearly see here that this keyword is low in competition but high in demand. Okay, the next keyword I have for you is street wear logo. Okay, let's see how many services. Only 629 services available on this keyword streetwear logo. And if we see how many orders this keyword have, then we can see here 276 reviews. 276 reviews meaning if we calculate the total number of orders, then we can say that only 60% buyer leave a review and 40% don't. So this 276 number shows that only 60% orders. So it may be more than 350. And the next one is 97, 95, 561. So this is a right keyword for you if you are going to target a logo design niche. Then we have photography logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 833 services available. If we are getting the keyword having less than 2000 services in logo design niche, then this is a golden keyword for us. And we can clearly say here photography logo has only 838 services available with number of reviews and number of orders there. If we see here 295 reviews, 114 reviews, 380 reviews, and on the second line there are many reviews as well. So we can definitely use this keyword in our gig as well. The next keyword we have for you is food logo. only 1388 services available, and still there are a lot of orders and lot of reviews here, 137, 32, 149 and 235, which shows that this keyword is low in competition and still high in demand, and you can definitely use this keyword to rank your gig. The next keyword I have for you is animal logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 895 services available, and if we see the number of reviews, 136, 162, 309, 299, a huge demand yet low in competition. The next keyword I have for you is spa logo. Only 473 services available, and if you say that logo design is a competitive niche, then you can see here that only 473 services available on this keyword, and if you can't rank on this keyword, you can't rank on logo design as well. So better target spa logo instead of logo design. The next keyword I have for you is crypto logo. Only 158 services available, and if we see here 42 reviews, 23 reviews, 44 reviews, there is a lot of demand in this keyword, but this keyword is very low in competition with only having 158 services available. Then I have a keyword for you is app logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 700 services available. This is the right keyword to target if you are targeting logo design niche. I can see here 274 reviews, 177 reviews, 41 reviews, 243 reviews. There is a lot of demand, and this keyword is very low in competition. The next keyword I have for you in logo design niche is Shopify logo. Only 479 services available, and if we see the number of orders here, we can see here 85 reviews, 578 reviews, 413 reviews. There is a huge demand of this keyword, but this keyword is very low in competition. The next keyword I have for you is bakery logo. Only 649 services available on this keyword, and this keyword also have number of orders and number of reviews here, as we can clearly say our competitors here with 13 reviews, 37 reviews, 50 reviews, 9 reviews. And the next keyword I have for you is gym logo. Only 714 services available. We have not seen any keyword with more than 2000 services available. Most of the keywords that I am using here and I am showing you here having 1000 services available or less than 1000 services. And the next keyword I have for you is health logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 793 services available. This is also under 1000, so this is a bright keyword to target. And the last keyword but not the least, I am going to show you more keywords around logo design niche in the next video, and this will be the last keyword that I am going to show you in this video, and that keyword is eyelash logo. Let's see how much competition this keyword have. Only 653 services available, and if we see here the competition and the number of orders, there are definitely a good amount of orders and good amount of reviews here, and we can definitely target this keyword. So I have shown you a lot of keywords that you can target and make your gigs around logo design niche, and definitely you can secure orders and you can get the first order if you are a beginner using these low keywords. So target this keyword and make this gig. You will definitely going to get orders and number of orders on daily basis. So wait for the next video and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much.